Founded in 2010, Shanghai Silver Engineer Industry Company Limited is located in Songjiang District, Shanghai. It owns 3 major brands, Silver Engineer, Godfoil, and Foil 2, specializes in high-end aluminum foil container production lines, high-precision aluminum foil container molds, and customized aluminum foil containers. Business and centralized procurement of aluminum foil raw materials are the main businesses. Company has more than 2,000 sets of mold design and production of rich experience. Committed to providing overall solutions for the global aluminum foil packaging industry in the wave of transformation and upgrading in the new era. Through the establishment of Silver Engineer Research Institute to provide project consulting and coaching system and project talent training system, as well as a one-stop worry-free service system for strategic partners and joint venture partners. It provides cooperation units with enterprise lifecycle services. Make every effort to become the preferred service platform for the overall solution of the aluminum foil environmental protection packaging industry. Company has provided products and services to customers in more than 50 regions and has been well received by customers. Environmental protection, no-wash aluminum foil containers. Broad development prospects. Great environmental significance. Aluminum foil container with its open fire heating, good freshness, good cutting resistance, excellent conductivity, and other characteristics, as a high-quality alternative solution for catering packaging industry, is being used by more and more catering enterprises and has been widely recognized and liked by consumers.
Thanks for watching this video. Welcome to visit our factory.